Yo, what is going on, you guys? We're back with another video, and we're back in the garage working on the Mini. Well, we're not gonna be working on her today. We're gonna be driving her today. In this video, I'm gonna take her off of the wheel dollies, set her down on the ground, get her started, get her warmed up, take her around the block a couple times, make sure everything's good. We're gonna be taking her to the body shop. We're gonna be getting the car fully painted. Everything's gonna be done up, all the dents removed, everything taken care of. This car is gonna leave the body shop in pristine, restored condition. But this is a project I've been working on for my father. Want to get this thing mint, pristine for him so you can take it to shows. And yeah, this is there's a ton of lore, there's a ton of story behind this car. Maybe I'll make another video about this car. Let's take her off the dollies, and yeah, that's it. Go ahead. Me and my dad got her going. He was spraying, I was cranking her. She starts, everything's good so far. Thank God. She's still cold, she's gotta warm up. Right now I'm just bleeding the coolant, making sure everything's good so that when we do go for a drive it doesn't overheat. Got the ride open, everything seems good. She definitely needs a tune-up. Once all the body work is done, then I'm gonna really start to dial in the engine, dial in the carburetor, make sure everything's good, brakes, suspension, everything. Lift the car up and make sure the thing's mint, nothing safety-wise that's gonna be a problem. Just make sure everything's good, man. RSX. All right. In the Mini with my dad.
Howdy.
Oh yeah, we got seatbelts in here. The fuel pump's making some noise, so I think it's running low. So,
Okay.
yeah.
What happened?
We ran out of gas. All right, part 2. We're back. Let's start her up. Beautiful. Seatbelts are on. drives pretty good.
Not bad.
Just needs to be tuned up, you know? The man who taught me how to drive manual for the first time.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what do we think of the first drive?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Not bad. Alright,
Yeah.
that's good. Alright guys, the day has come. We're in the garage with the Mini. I'm just gonna start it quickly. It's been a couple days since I turned it on, since you last saw me and my dad driving the car and all that. So I'm just gonna start it, and then in a couple hours we're gonna go drive it. But I want to start it, warm it up, make sure everything's good before we take it on the road again and bring it to the body shop. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so car runs, everything's good. I shut it off because you can't hear me speak when the car is on. I'm gonna go take it up and down the street quickly, and then me and my dad are gonna take it to the body shop. Alright guys, we're on our way. This is a dream come true for me and my dad. We're finally gonna make this car perfect. I'm driving the RSX. We're on our way to the body shop. I want to thank God. This is unreal. Pray that everything goes well. My dad's happy, and I'm happy. My dad's happy, I'm happy. I think the last time this car was on a main road, I was probably 10 years old. So this is this is very surreal for me, as much it is for him. Alright guys, the car's dropped off. I'm with my dad.
Howdy.
And yeah, now we wait. I'll be keeping you guys updated. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. See you guys in the next one.